Welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today we're diving into the world of polished concrete and showing you exactly how we turn dull, worn-out floors into something truly impressive. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. Let's get started. Have you ever looked at your old concrete floor and thought, could this actually look beautiful? Let me show you how we make that transformation happen, step by step, with technique, precision, and passion. Our polished concrete system isn't basic. It's a professional 18-step process that includes 14 grinding passes with metal and resin diamonds and the use of high-performance industrial-grade products. Everything starts with evaluating the floor. If there's glue, paint, or an old coating, we begin by removing it using a special PCD diamond. That exposes the raw concrete, completely clean and ready for work. Then we start grinding with a 30 grit metal bond to open the surface and remove any contaminants. Next, we use a 60 grit to create texture and prepare the floor for the next stages. Once that's done, we repair any imperfections, cracks, holes, chips. We patch them carefully and let everything dry. Then comes the resin polishing sequence, 50, 100, and 200 grit. And here's something important. While we polish the center with our large industrial machines, we use a special edge grinder to treat the borders and corners with the same level of detail, no shortcuts. Next, we apply a concrete densifier, which penetrates deep into the slab and hardens the surface from within. This makes the floor more resistant to traffic, wear, and stains. From there, we continue with the 400 grit resin pass, and if the client wants, we add a stain to tint the floor with their preferred color and style. It's a way to give the space personality and warmth. Then we polish with 800 grit, and now the shine really starts to show. But unlike most companies, we don't just vacuum and seal. We use a scrubber machine to deep clean the surface before sealing. That's one of our key differences. Once the floor is perfectly clean and dry, we apply 2 coats of Ameripolish sealer. In our experience, the best brand for this kind of work. We use their full system, densifier, stain, and sealer, to ensure everything works together and gives consistent, high-quality results. After letting it dry for about 30 minutes, we do a final buffing pass with a high-gloss pad, and that's when the magic happens. This isn't just a floor treatment, it's a transformation. It's about bringing out the beauty of what was already there and making it shine at its best. Every floor we polish tells a story. It's not just about concrete. It's about transforming a space where important things happen, where you share life with your loved ones, or build and grow your business. After seeing what a truly professional process can achieve, many realize something profound. What once seemed ordinary was full of hidden potential. If you feel your floor is also waiting for its moment to shine, you already know we're here for it. If you enjoyed learning about this process, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Or if you're thinking of transforming your space too. We'll see you in the next one.